Welcome to this video on creating a stopwatch application using vanilla JavaScript. Let's start with the HTML structure. We have a simple HTML file with a title, a link tag for the CSS file and a script tag for the JavaScript. Next, let's have a look at the styling using CSS. The CSS styles the layout, positioning the timer display, buttons inside a card and the hover effects on the buttons. Now, let's have a look at the JavaScript functionality. First, we target the body element from the HTML using document.body. Next, we create a container div that will hold the app name, timer display, and buttons. We create an h1 element for the app title, set its text content to stopwatch, and append it to the body. We then create a div element for the timer display, set its ID to time, and initialize its text content to 00:00. This div is appended to the container. Next, we create a div element to hold the buttons, set its class to buttons, and create 3 buttons: start, stop, and reset. Each button is given an ID and text content, and then appended to the button's div, which is subsequently appended to the container. Finally, we append the container div to the body. We then define the logic for the stopwatch functionality. We initialize variables for the timer, seconds, minutes, and a running flag. The timer function increments the seconds and minutes, and updates the timer display. We add an event listener to the start button. When clicked, it changes the background image, starts the timer, and sets the running flag to true. The stop button's event listener changes the background image, stops the timer, and sets the running flag to false. The reset button's event listener changes the background image, stops the timer, resets the time using clear interval, and sets the running flag to false. And that's how you create a simple stopwatch application using vanilla JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Let's see the stopwatch in action. Thank you for watching.